Simple English. I walk, right? Easy. We say we play. You walk. It stays simple for groups. But what happens when the subject changes to just one person, like she? A common mistake is saying she walk. Wait, something is missing. Don't worry, this is the tricky third person rule. For he or she, we must add that extra sound. He walks. See, she plays. This small change changes and makes your English sound correct. The mantra is simple. He, she, it, add the S. This applies to questions too. Instead of walks he, it becomes does he walk? Now you know the trick. Stop guessing and start using correct English every day. Subscribe now.